The great Coliseum shakes beneath the roar of the crowd. Knights, mercenaries, and warriors clash until only two remain: a towering barbarian wielding a massive sword, and a lone knight clad in a white armor. Both are battered, both are exhausted. With the final roar, the barbarian swings, the blow sends the knight's helmet flying, revealing the bloodied face. Wearing a smile, the knight plants his sword into the ground. Divine strike! He slashed through the air, a wave of holy light surges across the arena. The barbarian raises his hand to block, but it's too late. The light cuts him clean in half. The crowd erupts. A new champion is born. The man prophesied to defeat the Demon King. The champion stands before the king and the royal council. By ancient law, before departing to face the Demon King, the crown grants him one wish: anything. Gold, land, power. The knight exchanges a quiet whisper with his squire before stepping forward. "I wish to marry your youngest daughter, Princess Ilaria." Silence fills the throne room. The king studies him for a moment, then laughs. "A bold request! It would be an honor to unite our royal blood with that of the kingdom's greatest hero. But I have one condition. The wedding shall take place tonight, and at dawn you must leave for your mission." The knight shouts, "It would be an honor. I swear I shall return with the Demon King's head." The wedding is held that very night. The kingdom celebrates until dawn. High above the festivities, Roland and Princess Ilaria are finally alone. Without his armor, Roland looks almost angelic, tall, strong, golden hair, blue eyes. He gently lifts the princess' chin and smiles. Her heart races. Then his expression changes. His hand closes around her throat. She struggles desperately, but his grip is unbreakable. The last thing she sees is Roland's smile. Outside the chamber, Roland's squire sits reading an old journal. The door opens. Without looking up, he says, "That was really quick, even for you, Roland. So, the princess is dead? Can we continue to the next phase of our mission?" No answer. He looks up. Roland's lifeless body collapses into the hallway. The squire rushes inside. The room is empty. Only a shattered window remains. A hooded figure races through the kingdom's dark streets. Several men chases him. The figure turns into an alley. A trap still clashes, screams echo through the night. Then silence. Slow applause breaks the darkness. "Who taught you those devilish moves, my princess?" Moonlight spills into the alley. Three bodies lie motionless in pools of blood. Standing among them is Princess Ilaria. Her golden animal-like eyes glow in the darkness, and from her head rise two black horns. So this is a story I decided to submit to Kodansha Manga Awards, and I had this idea for quite a while, and I have enough materials planned for several chapters, and overall I'm very pleased with story itself, with pacing, narration, and especially with main twist. However, there was one huge problem: the time. Unfortunately, I was busy with other projects, so that left me with very little time that I had on my hands and that I could dedicate to this contest. Because of that, I had to cut corners, delete some scenes, and simplify some parts of the story. As a result, the final version feels rushed, and there are quite a few flaws in terms of artwork and storytelling. Honestly, I even questioned should I make this video, but then I remembered what this channel is all about. It's not about pretending that everything I make is great. It's about documenting my journey towards becoming professional mangaka, meaning that I show everything, successes and failures and everything in between. So yeah, here is final version that I submitted to Kodansha Manga Academy Awards, and I actually almost didn't make it in time. I even pulled all-nighter just to finish everything I could before the deadline. So here it is. So yeah, as you can probably tell, the final version is far from original story. Some scenes are missing, dialogues are rushed, and I would definitely like to redraw multiple pages. And that's exactly what I plan to do. After this contest will be over, I plan to redraw the whole chapter so that it would reflect the main story and all the ideas I wanted to showcase originally. And I plan to publish it on one of the online manga platforms such as Manga Plus or similar. And if there will be enough readers, I would also like to continue and gradually finish the whole story. Right now I have like maybe 10 chapters already planned, so I need just to save some time and draw everything and hopefully not massacre the main idea. As for the contest, of course I don't expect any recognition, and that's okay. Because despite of lack of time, rushed schedule and other projects, I still managed to finish and submit this manga. And that's its most important part, because every finished manga teaches me something new. And that's one more completed manga than I had yesterday. One more step towards becoming mangaka I want to be. So no matter what the results are, I don't see this as a failure. I see it as another milestone in my journey. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to follow this story journey from draft story to the final manga version, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video.
This is Author Song of my YouTube channel, and it's not made by AI. Someday I will become the greatest mangaka, so you better subscribe.